So many people know me. I didn't always have the same kind of life that I have. You know, we grew up middle class, and yeah, I had it better than a lot of people. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna front and be like, oh yeah, I'm poor, we were poor. No, my family wasn't poor, but I didn't have the financial freedom that I have now. I had to work to get to where I'm at. So don't get it twisted. You know, you have to work for what you want out of your life. You have to bring that out of you and be able to monetize it. So, you know, if you're making music and it's really good music, then you should monetize it. You know, so whatever you're doing, if you're doing production, then you should be selling your beats. If you're an artist, you should be doing shows and getting paid. You should be aligning yourself with other artists, and you know, you should be getting your music out there, building your fan base, building your audience on social media. Now, 10 years ago, we didn't have social media. We didn't have the internet as predominant as it is now, where you could just, you know, slowly build your network, get people to pay attention to what you do, and get people to see what you're doing, whether you're painting and selling art, you're making music, you're motivational speaker, you know, all these different things that we all want to do with our life. As an entrepreneur, you're selling t-shirts. Everything was a lot harder before. Think about it. When Nike came out, you couldn't just like go on Shopify and Printify and print out a t-shirt, design it on some graphics, and they're gonna send it out for you. I mean, think about it. There's a lot of things where you can be making money really easily now. Like Oberlo is a new one where you can basically open an online store and sell products that they'll ship for you. I mean, and then using Google's algorithm, and hopefully you take the time to rank on some keywords for what you're doing, or even on Amazon. You can sell your products. You can be making money online. So that's one thing, a new venture that we'll be doing later this year, is selling clothes. And it's a lot easier now. You have a great design, you design it, you print out a shirt that's maybe it's catchy, and you can get people to buy it for $15, $20, whatever the case is, whatever you want to charge. Now, I like high-end fashion. I do. You know, these shoes, Versace, right? I'm sure I got ripped off. They don't cost $800 to make these shoes. There's no way in hell. But it's just the fact that it's the name brand. So it's the same principle. Build up your name, build up your brand, build who you are.